Hello, this is Tom Hartney, and this is the report for my Mech 150 Capstone final project at Anne Arundel Community College. There were two objectives for this project. The first was to control an ABB robot with a PLC, and the second was to develop an HMI using the Wonderware development software suite. This is the Mechatronics Trainer developed at AACC to promote mechatronics programs in high schools. The first station on the left dispenses a cup onto a trolley, which moves it to the second station where it is filled with plastic marbles. The color of the cup is determined by a light sensor, and the cup is then moved into the appropriate storage tray. The robot will then pick the cup up, empty the marbles back into the hopper, and put it back into the dispenser chute. The trainer is controlled by a click PLC from Automation Direct. A small control panel allows the user to start, stop, and reset the process, and a stack light provides feedback on the system status to the user. The robot used in this project is an ABB IRB 120 6-axis pick-and-place machine. I designed an attachment for the robot in SolidWorks that uses suction to secure the cup while it is being emptied and returned to the dispenser. When the robot arm approaches the cup, suction is applied to secure it in place. The last component in the system is the robot control interface called a teach pendant. Programs can be created on a PC in ABB's rapid programming language and then loaded into the controller from a USB drive. The teach pendant allows the user to manually move the robot into position and save that position information into the program. This gives the user the ability to create a complex program to control the robot's movements, which I will now demonstrate. I'm demonstrating the HMI while the PLC is in the continuous with robot mode. When the start button is pushed, the yellow stack light is blinking for that 10-second warning period. On the HMI, it's a solid yellow indicator. Now a graphic of a cup being put on the trolley is down below, and the trolley is moving. At the bottom of the screen, you see status messages indicating the trolley's progress. Now the cup has been put in the storage tray, and the trolley is moving back to the dispenser station. Next, you'll see an animation of the claw moving into position. At the top of the screen, you see the robot status messages. So now it has acquired the cup and is backing out of the tray. And now it is moving to the fill station hopper. So it's at the station hopper and it is tilting the cup to empty it. Now the cup is empty and it's moving to the dispenser chute. It's at the chute. It has released the cup, and now the robot is moving back to the home position. And the robot is back at the home position. So there's a lot more work that could be done here to make the animation smoother and make it a lot better for the user. I just simply ran out of time. While testing the system, a problem arose with the alignment between the robot and dispenser chute on the trainer. The robot is extremely precise and repeatable, but each time a cup is dropped back into the dispenser, the clear plastic chute vibrates a little, and over time can move far enough to where the cup will not line up with the chute anymore. I added two buttons to the HMI in the upper left corner to give users the ability to check the robot and trainer alignment before running the system. When the align button is pressed, the robot moves into position above the chute but doesn't activate suction or have a cup in its grip. At this point, The user can manually check to ensure the cup will drop into the chute before the system is activated. Once the chute has been aligned with the claw, the user clicks on the return button to send the robot back to the home position so the system can be activated. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention.